Today, Phone Scoop is taking a quick look at the new Motorola i465 Clutch, available from Boost Mobile. That happens to run on Boost's network, which of course is the iDEN network run by Nextel. Taking a quick spin around the hardware, we can see on the front it has a full QWERTY keyboard here. The keys, I thought, were nice. They had a nice travel and feedback, good touch to them, and the contour felt well. We've got other buttons here, a dedicated menu button here, send and end keys, soft keys, a dedicated speakerphone button here, and on the right side of the screen you'll see we've got dedicated buttons for the camera, the internet, and text messaging. So those are nice to have. On the left side of the phone we've got the small-ish volume rocker up here at the top, which feels okay, and we also have the direct connect button here, and that has good travel and feedback. Under here we've got a large hatch that covers the 2.5mm headset jack and the micro USB charging port. So this whole piece here is the hatch. On the right side we have nothing, and on the back, of course, also not much going on, just the camera up here. So that's a quick spin around the hardware. You know, in all, it's a good phone. It feels nice, comfortable to hold. Has a soft touch paint job to the back with this little edged ridges on here, this little design. You know, it feels pretty good. Running on the Boost network, the i465 Clutch has a pretty entry-level menu system. We'll touch the menu key here, and you can see we have you know, just 8 different selections here that we can zoom through. And nice that they have Bluetooth all the way out here. Nice that you don't have to go digging down to find Bluetooth. And if we hit the More button, you know, we'll see a few more selections here. You know, ringtones, messages, and other controls that you're used to seeing. And we can hit More again, and there are yet more things here in the menu system here. So not the, you know, easiest way to zoom through the menu system. You know, it'd be nice if things were just all in one long list so you could just zoom through it a lot faster, but that's not the way Motorola and Boost did it here. You have to cycle back through these 3 separate different menus to get to all your applications and such. Let's exit out of there and see what happens when we press the messaging key. You'll see a new message instantly jumps up there, so we can address this and send it pretty much instantaneously. If we hit the web button, we'll get the Boost mobile portal, which will fire up here in a second. And you can see it's a very basic WAP type menu system here. Very easy to figure out and use. Touching the camera button, we will launch the camera there, and you can see it's live now. And you know, not too much on the feature end of things. We can basically just take a picture or go back. Takes a second to capture, saves it there, and you can see that we can either send it or discard it. So that was a pretty boring picture, so we're gonna get rid of that one. And that's about it. You know, the i465 Clutch for Boost Mobile is a basic entry-level phone. Nice that it has a full QWERTY keyboard for messaging. Hardware feels pretty good. The keyboard feels good. It has dedicated keys for messaging down here, as well as some nice shortcut keys up here. The user interface and menu system is a little on the thin side, but for a prepaid phone, the i465 does a really good job.